How to fix Stoneshard crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library and then you want to right click on Stoneshard. Go to properties and then you want to go to the general tab, and under launch options you want to type -dx11 like this. Then you can close this window right here. Now you want to right click, open up the properties panel again, where you can find the installed files tab right here. Click on verify the integrity of game files and then wait for this process to finish. And once it's done, you want to click on the browse button, find the game's exe file, right click on it, click on properties, compatibility tab, and enable both of these options right here. Click on apply and OK. Now you can close out of this window. Then you want to open up your GPU app. So for NVIDIA, it's NVIDIA app. Then you want to go to the drivers section in your app and then check for the updates and make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver for NVIDIA. Now once you do that, you will need to restart your system, and after system restart you should simply open up Steam and make sure to run it as administrator before launching the game. So run as admin, and then you should simply click on the play button to launch the game, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.